Okay, so for sample problem 2, here it says classify the substances shown below. So I have two separate substances. In my first container here on the left-hand side, I notice here that I have these two open circles bonded together, and I have a bunch of those around. And then I have these two open circles and one filled in circle bonded together, and those are kind of all around. So I have two separate things here. This two open circle, I know that is an element. I know it's an element because there are two of the same thing bonded together. So remember we talked about how if it's one of the same thing or two of the same things bonded together, then those would both be considered an element. So that there as an element is just a diatomic element, or two atoms bonded together. This other piece here, here we see two things that are the same, but it's bonded to one thing that's different. So that is going to be a molecule. So here I notice that this is a mixture. And this is going to be a mixture of elements, and compounds. Because here I have my element and here I have my compound. Now if I look at the right hand side, I notice I have single filled in circles, I have open filled in circles, and then I have these two open bonded with the one filled in circle. So here my first one, that's an element, that's a single atom by itself. Here I see another different element, so I know automatically this is going to be a mixture. And I also see these different things bonded together. So there I see a compound. So this is also going to be a mixture of elements and compounds.